go. I'm ready.
Camera. Action. Fulton Tower, Skyhawk 734 Romeo Sierra, holding short runway 6 at Alpha, ready for departure.
734 Romeo Sierra, Fulton Tower, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 734 Romeo Sierra. Airspeed's live, oil pressure temperature in the green. Knots.
Romeo Sierra, contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal, good day. 734 Romeo Sierra.
November 4 Romeo Sierra, the Ontario altimeter is 3008.
3008 Ontario, 4 Romeo Sierra.
November 904 Charlie Bravo, contact SoCal approach on 124.6. 124.6, 4 Charlie Bravo. November 05 Juliet, advising you're ready to copy your low approach instructions. Ready, copy, sir.
Tower, Skyhawk 734 Romeo Sierra, 3 miles south of the field.
Cessna 4 Romeo Sierra, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 left, 4 Romeo Sierra.
Cessna 04 Lima, traffic. Touch and go on the right runway is a Cirrus, right close traffic, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff. Additional traffic is 3 mile final, Cessna. Clear for takeoff on 35 left for 6004 Lima, I think they want me left traffic. Cessna 04 Lima, verify you're southeastbound. Please, affirmative for Lima. Cessna 04 Lima, no delay on departure, and you can make a right down departure to the southeast. Traffic right close to entrance is Lima.
20 visa flaps.
Cessna 4 Romeo Sierra, traffic departing full wing Cessna.
Roger, all traffic flight.
Cirrus 2 X-ray Juliet, turn cross when you have an RED. Aircraft, Cessna 2 X-ray Juliet. Cessna 04 Lima, the Cirrus traffic is ahead and to your right cross when approaching downwind turn. Outside 04 Lima. Cessna 04 Lima, pass outside of that traffic, maintain visual separation from the Cessna. Okay, outside and maintain a visual for 04 Lima. Tower Archer 4522, Juliet's ready to go 35 left south, east Park. Archer 4522 Juliet, Henderson Tower, hold short, runway 35 left. Short, 35 left, 22 Juliet. Cirrus 2 X-ray Juliet, traffic short final for the left runway is a Cessna, full stop, runway 35 right, clear touch and go.
35 right, clear touch and go, 22 X-ray Juliet, and traffic in sight.
Malibu 1 Alpha Foxtrot, Henderson Tower, Christian Henderson ground, have your clearance advisory to copy.
Burgers and Pops.
Malibu 1 Alpha Foxtrot, you're cleared to the Kilo Charlie Hotel Delta Airport via turn right heading 170. Complete the turn within 2 miles of the airport. Radar vectors Creso, Victor 538, Golfs, Needles, then direct. Maintain 7,000. Expect 17,000 2 minutes after departure. Las Vegas departure frequency 119.4, squawk 1026, and stand by for the readback.